Hey guys, in this video I'm going to explain to you how to change your Boost mobile phone number step by step. Okay, so first things first, you need to basically contact Boost Mobile customer service. So you'll need to get in touch with the Boost Mobile support to basically request the number change. So you need to call, Boost Mobile customer service at 1-888-266-7848 or use the Boost mobile app to basically reach out to them, right? And then you need to be ready to basically verify your identity. You'll need to provide your account PIN and possibly some personal information for security. You just need to let the customer service representative know that you'd like to change your phone number. They may ask for a reason, but you don't need to explain if you don't want to, right? And once your request is being processed, the representative will assign you a new number. They will confirm when the change is complete, and then after the change is complete, guys, just go ahead and restart your phone to ensure the new number is properly activated. And of course, don't forget to notify your contacts of your new number. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.